Hello and welcome to the 16th tutorial on how to program Gscript2. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you about weapons. So let's open the RC. I'm going to use the outgame RC because I can add the weapons to myself with the player list. So let's click the stored icon and we can see all our weapons. Let's click add weapon and add it and call it awesome sit script. And we can see an icon for it, and let's add some code. Function on weapon fired. This is a new function I'm going to show you. What it does is as soon as you select the weapon in your inventory script, it's not here right now, but as soon as you select it, then press D, it's going to run the script. Not all weapons are going to have this, so you can't activate them by pressing D. After selecting them, you're going to have to activate them in some other way, if you even do activate them. Some weapons are running constantly, like the movement script, or a chat system. Like those weapons are running constantly with loops. So anyway, let's add some code. Set Ani, sit, null. Set Ani is a client-side command, but everybody in the entire server can't see you as you sit down. But only you sit down, like no one else sits down. So anyway, I'm going to apply. And we're going to go to player list. Right click myself. Press edit attributes. Then go to weapons. Then add it. Then add the script. Awesome sit script. Click apply. Now if I press Q, you'll see the weapon right there. This is the icon for the weapon. It defaults to BC alarm clock. If you create the weapon with in-game RC, you're gonna have to add the icon through the out-game RC. So if I take this out, it's not gonna show an icon. You can also add your own icons from the images folder in RC. Like go here, then press the little plus next to the levels folder, and you can see all your images. You can add whatever you want. So anyway, let's say I want to change the script and make it go on created. Now what's going to happen? Oh, I forgot the parenthesis. As soon as I press apply, I'm going to automatically sit down. Because in a weapon, on created means as soon as the player enters the server, or as soon as the weapon is updated or added to the player. So if I go out, I can move around, then I press apply, I'm going to sit down. We can also do on player chats, make it go if player.chat is equal to sit, and click apply. Now as soon as I say sit, I'm going to sit down. If I press Q, the script will be there, but if I press D, nothing's going to happen. So you may be wondering, it's pretty useless to even have this here, because if you click it and press D, nothing's going to happen. Well, we can make it so it's not shown here, but it'll still be on the player. To do that, let's make a new weapon and call it sit2. Oh, I forgot one thing. Darn it, that's lame. At minus sign sit2. You have to have the minus sign there. Click OK. Then we're going to copy the code. Click apply. Then I'm going to add it to myself. Oh, yeah. And for this awesome script, I'm just going to delete it. No, there. So now, I'm actually gonna delete it from here. Now the original weapon is gone. As you can see, we don't have any weapon here that's gonna make us sit down. But when we type sit, we're gonna sit down. Wanna know? Because the weapon sit2 has the minus sign in front. that means the weapon is added to us, if it's even added, but we won't see it here. So it's a great way to make like HUDs or inventory scripts where you don't want it to be shown here. So if I do something, if I change on player chats to on weapon fired, there will be no way to even activate the script because there's no way to select it and then press D. So anyway, that concludes